My dear students, JEE NEET 2025 Competitive Chemistry 2025 target. Mind-blowing question. This question figured board exams, again same NEET JEE exams also many times. Mind-blowing question. Hot concentrated sodium hydroxide react with chlorine. Hot concentrated, please note it. React with chlorine, we will get to sodium chloride and sodium chlorate and water. Please note it. Hot concentrated sodium hydroxide react with chlorine, we have sodium chlorate, water. So you please note it. Oxidation state, oxidation number of chlorine here in elementary state, in a free state, chlorine oxidation number, the charge present on chlorine is 0. Okay, here 0. Here you observe very keenly, sodium plus 1, chlorine minus 1. Chlorine belongs to halogen, so here chlorine, this is a plus 1, this is a minus 1. Okay. In sodium chloride, you better to calculate oxidation number of chlorine. Sodium plus 1, oxygen minus 2. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6 plus 1. So we have chlorine oxidation number plus 5. Sodium plus 1, oxygen minus 2. 3 oxygens are there. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. If you go that side, we have plus 5. Chlorine plus 5. So here chlorine minus 1, here chlorine plus 5. Okay. Oxidation number or oxidation state varies from 0 to minus 1. Please note it. 0 to minus 1, that is oxidation number decreases. Oxidation number 0 to minus 1, oxidation number decreases, that is chlorine undergoes reduction. If you observe this one, 0 to plus 5, oxidation number increases, here chlorine undergoes oxidation. If oxidation number increases, we can say oxidation. If oxidation number decreases, we can say reduction. So here an element undergo both oxidation and reduction. This reaction is called disproportionation reaction. Here the question is, oxidation number varies, state varies from 0 to minus 1, one answer. Again 0 to plus 5. 0 to minus 1, 0 to plus 5 is the right answer. Like, share, subscribe for more and more videos. Thank you.